Spearheading the brass and bronze hardware industry, Pony Sanitary Ware has been producing some of the finest faucets, fittings, valves, tubes, and other products since 1991. Each year, our team of talented R&D members develop over 60 products, which are assembled under ISO 9001 guidelines. Until 2008, we have obtained Safe Watermark, won 10 patents, passed SGS test reports, as well as the ability to meet the requirement of RoHS standard and export to many European countries. We achieve uniform production quality by using CNC machines to manufacture every single product. Currently, there are 5 CNC machines including various CNC lathes to machining centers, 12 axle turning and milling centers, and several surveying instruments. Our efforts to constantly achieve the highest quality and meet the strictest criteria for our product by incorporating the latest engineering technique and the state-of-the-art equipment has provided the basis for our continuous growth and success, which in 2005, we're happy to announce our Zhanghua branch was established. In 2008, our Taichung branch was instituted. In the next 2 years, we are planning to expand our production area to 2,000 square meters.